Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are seeing the PS5 error code NW1023792, it usually means that your console can't connect to the internet or PlayStation network. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this issue quickly. So first of all, you need to start with a full network refresh. For that, you just have to first of all turn off your router and modem. Afterwards, you just have to wait for 30 seconds and then you need to turn them back on. After doing this, simply reconnect your PS5 to Wi-Fi or LAN and then you need to simply test the connection. If possible, you can switch to a wired connection for better stability. Now, once this step is done, you need to basically reset your network settings as well. For that, come here inside the settings of your PS5. Over here, click on the option of network. Now, simply click on the option of settings inside a network. Afterwards, click on the option of setup internet connection. Now, select the option of forget your current network and reconnect it again. Enter the Wi-Fi password and complete the setup. This particular step is going to clear the temporary connection errors that are causing this issue. Now, if the issue still continues, you can tweak your network. For that, inside the settings and setup internet, you just have to basically look for the option of advanced settings. Over here in the advanced settings, click on the option of DNS settings, then select the option of manual. Afterwards, you just have to set the DNS setting as like this. So we have primary settings and the secondary settings. So the primary setting should be this and the secondary setting should be this. So keep the IP address and the DHCP settings on automatic, then save and test the connection again. This particular step is going to improve the communication with PlayStation servers. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.